I was very much drawn to a career that required a high level of fitness for myself. It is extremely academically challenging. It's a brotherhood and sisterhood unlike anything else I've ever encountered. You'll find that people's worst day is sometimes not what we see as being a hardship, but for them it is, and to be able to intervene and make their lives a little bit easier is very, very rewarding. I wanted a department that was small enough that everyone knew each other well, but large enough to provide different opportunities for specialty service. Some of those include water rescue, truck tactics. We have a variety of calls here. Because we have a major freeway corridor, we get a lot of freeway calls. So the type of medical calls that you respond to in Kirkland is as diverse as the fire calls that we go on. Kirkland Fire has quality individuals within the department. We have people that really care. One example is a young girl in our community who's been suffering from cancer for a number of years. And we have firefighters that actually check in with that family on a weekly basis, on a monthly basis, to support them both financially, emotionally, and spiritually. It's really an amazing place to work. There's an opportunity to create your own specialty within the city department. In fire prevention, one of the roles that I have taken on as a specialty is public education. And because of my education background and experience, I've been able to go out to different communities that have requested fire prevention information and sat down with communities to look at the different fire risks and how they might prevent fires within their homes and multifamilies. My main role in fire prevention right now is to manage several of our fire prevention programs. One of the roles I've been doing over the last 2 years is working with restaurants to bring their hood and duct systems up to code. Many are very old and outdated, and it's very financially, especially during the pandemic, it's challenging for them to spend the money to bring things up to code right now. And so to establish timelines to help them along and partner with them as opposed to being simply an enforcer has been a real rewarding part of working in fire prevention. Before I became a firefighter, I worked in sports medicine. I spent 15 years as an athletic trainer, working both in education and sports injury management at a university, and helped develop a high school curriculum for the state of Washington. I was introduced to firefighting by working in a job where I was responsible for carrying out health evaluations for people in the fire service, and in speaking to those firefighters was really fascinated by the high job satisfaction and started looking at it as a potential career for myself. I have a strong heart for serving others, and the fire service is a career that demands that we help other people on a daily basis.